Starting a business? One of the very first decisions you'll face is also one of the most confusing: how to structure it. Sole proprietorship, LLC, an S-Corp election, or a C corporation. And most free guides online are really a formation service, nudging you toward whatever earns them a fee. The Business Entity Decision Helper does the opposite. It's a weighted scoring workbook you own that gets the trade-offs onto one page, so you can score the choice with a clear head. Here's how it works. You set a weight for each thing that matters to your business: tax, liability, setup cost, ongoing admin, ownership flexibility, by how much it actually matters to you. Then you rate each of the 4 structures from 1 to 5. The workbook hands you a single weighted score per structure, so the best overall fit rises to the top, not just the one with the lowest tax in isolation. Not sure how the 4 structures really differ? The Entity Facts tab lays them side by side in plain English. The liability shield, how each is taxed, what it takes to form, the annual filings, and whether it requires payroll. It turns LLC versus S-Corp from a vague debate into a concrete comparison you can rate with confidence. The question everyone guesses at is tax, so the workbook includes a tax and cost estimator. Enter your expected profit and a reasonable salary, and it estimates each structure's self-employment or payroll tax, adds an annual admin cost, and shows what an S-Corp election could actually save, in real dollars, at your profit level. The saving only turns positive once profit justifies the extra payroll, and now you can see exactly where you stand. Every figure is illustrative, a planning tool, not tax advice. The Decision Scorecard is the working tab. It comes preloaded with sensible ratings for a typical owner-run business, so you're adjusting a real starting point, not staring at a blank grid. Tune the weights and ratings to your situation, and the weighted score and ranking fill in automatically. The Results tab is the payoff. All 4 structures ranked, each one's estimated annual cost beside it, and your best fit structure shown next to your lowest cost one, with the gap between them named as a real dollar figure. So if the structure that fits best isn't the cheapest, you can decide on purpose whether the better fit is worth it. And you own the file outright. No login, no subscription, no formation service upselling you. It sits between a blank spreadsheet and a sales funnel, a neutral tool you keep and revisit as your business grows and the right structure changes. It also makes you the most prepared client your accountant will see all week. The Business Entity Decision Helper works in Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice, with a one-click copy for Sheets. Try the free web score to feel the method, or get the full workbook at Ardent Workshop. Score the decision. Don't agonize over it.